man, I need a gaming PC for Arc Raiders. Build it, PC Papa. Ryzen 5 7600 in the case. Oh, it's happening.
Oh, witness me.
RTX 5060 in the safe pocket. Oh, we're gooping, boys. Now we're gooping. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 6000 memory. Keystered carefully. Look out, clankers! Papa's got a brand new build. And finally, a 2 terabyte Gen 4 NVMe. Is that enough? This isn't Call of Duty. Oh, look, it's done.
Delivery, gentlemen, delivery.
Okay, here's your build. Oh, thanks, man. I'm glad you're friendly. All right, I'm gonna go extract. Who said I was friendly?
Don't shoot!